In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut on PC, so just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open CapCut PC and either open an existing project or create a new project. Now once your project is open, add your video to the timeline. Now at this point, you need to decide if you want to reverse the entire video or only a specific part of it. Now if you want to reverse only part of the video, you'll need to split it first. Now move the playhead to where you want the reverse to start and click the split button or press Ctrl+B. Now move the playhead again to where you want the reverse to end and click split one more time. Now you'll see the middle clip separated, and this is the part that will be reversed. Now make sure the clip you want to reverse is selected, and if you want to reverse the whole video, just select the entire clip. Now look at the top toolbar. Hover on this button here and click on the reverse button, which looks like a play icon with a circular arrow around it. Now CapCut will show reversing clip, and depending on the video length, this may take a few seconds. Now once it finishes, the clip will be fully reversed on the timeline. And that's it. That's how you reverse a video in CapCut on PC. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.